Are your stack vents capped? Alright, today we went on the roof and uncapped those vent stacks. I tried to get a hold of some plumbers to verify that they're supposed to be open to air. Couldn't find any plumbers, so I asked the facilities maintenance guys at work, and they all came to the same conclusion of it's a vent, it needs air, which I agree. So I went up on the roof and took the 3 rubber caps off the vent stacks, 1 on the sink and 2 for the bathrooms. But instead of just taking them off and letting debris fall in, I put in some sink strainers I got on eBay. I made a video of it. I'll attach it right now. Alright, we got you on the chest mount. We're gonna do this capped vent. So, I don't think this vent is supposed to be capped. So we're gonna uncap it. But, instead of just leaving it open to debris and critters, we're gonna do some kind of a vent cap. Use this. This is a sink strainer I got on eBay. Fits right. Look at that, perfect fit. So we're just gonna grab some silicone, put it on there. I don't really got to seal it. I'm just using it more of as a glue so it doesn't get blown off by the wind. Just the bottom of it. And just like that. All right, there you go. Complete. All right, I made it off the roof safely. Didn't fall off, didn't drop anything either. So that worked out pretty good. I also noticed there was a vent of some sort on the side of the house. I think it's for the sump in the basement. So I found one of these NDS drain grates and put it on there. It all worked out. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.